not really a glasses man, but try to get into it. Too flashy. Alright, just put them back. J's on my feet. Nobody that knows me knows I love shoes. Sometimes they dry rotten on me though. Keep them for too long. Today's Labor Day, May 23rd. Down by Victoria Pier. Gloria restaurant right there. A lot of people come down here and go fishing. You see a lot of kids, they come and they just go swimming. You can see them over there. Me, I'm not brave enough. Not brave at all. I don't like to see such a large body of water, you know, it makes me nervous. Nervous. I could swim, but I'm not gonna risk it. Downtown Victoria Pier, Kingston. There's the Rock Hotel. Today's Labor Day. It's a holiday, so that's why you don't really see a lot of people. I'm getting my car cleaned up. So in the meantime, we're gonna get some content. They're too pretty for this video. You, you hear what she said? I know. You couldn't just take the compliment. Yeah. So that's Gloria is over there. You see there's people there already. 12:43. So you know it's lunchtime. 12:43. Yeah. Check out this water. Caribbean Ocean. You see over there a lot of people, they go over there and fish, dive off in the water. You have to be a strong swimmer, a very strong swimmer. And even if you're a strong swimmer on a bad day, this tide can take you away. You know, you can't play with Mother Nature. Mother Nature is all powerful. So yeah, the Jamaican Conference. People at the Rock. I could still see people upstairs at the bar. A lot of police out today. See some kids down there jumping off, diving in the water. I don't trust that.